What's up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I am here with Chris from Impressed.
Hi guys, hey.
And we're gonna be doing a holiday juice today. It is holiday season,
Yes.
and we wanna stay healthy, so we called on Chris from Impressed. She makes natural juices, no preservatives or extra sugars added, and so we're so excited. Yeah. So Chris, what are we doing today?
Okay, so we're gonna do a little holiday blend, and nothing screams holiday than cranberries. So we're gonna do cranberries,
Yes,
apples, oranges, and a little ginger.
Love that.
All of this right now, honestly, is gonna be really good for your immunity. So it's gonna be a tasty holiday immunity drink. So perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. Since we're gonna be visiting a lot of family, a lot of friends, doing a lot of activities.
Yeah,
This is gonna keep you right.
for real. I need it.
Right. Okay, so let's get to it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start with the apples.
Yay!
All right, and then have my little
Period.
little bowl here.
Period.
Makes it a lot easier. Bam.
Oh, I need to get one. All that time spent, yeah. Oh, and
Yes,
cutting apples. Wow. All those little Amazon gadgets be worth it.
My mom got me this, and I was like, life
Wow.
changer. Yeah.
It wasn't that bad.
And the good thing is it takes all the seeds
fire.
out because you can't juice seeds.
Oh, I
So,
love that.
Yeah, we get that out the way. Orange time.
Love a good orange.
Love a good orange. All that vitamin C.
Yeah.
Yum.
I feel like I'm most excited about the ginger. Ginger is like my favorite.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's because of the properties.
Well, yes, it's super beneficial, especially for immunity, but that sting just...
I know. I love it though. I will do a ginger and turmeric shot quickly. Any day.
Have you had like straight ginger before? Like a straight ginger shot?
I think I always had it mixed with like turmeric and lemon or something like that.
It's something serious.
For real?
It's something serious.
It's probably crazy.
It is. I can't take it with a straight ginger.
Oh my gosh. Right?
I'm like, what's going on?
Oh, I love that.
I'm done.
This orange looks so good. OMG.
These are navel oranges, so I think they're typically like a lot juicier than regular ones. I think. Oh my gosh.
I love that. So how long have you been doing juicing?
So I've been doing it for about a year and probably like 6 months now.
I love that.
Yeah.
Do you feel like you experienced any changes in your body since doing it?
Oh yeah, of
Okay.
course. And then I can even say like even the people around me, for example, my dad and my aunt, they both suffer from like high blood pressure, and so I started juicing for them and making beet juice because beets great
Love
for
beets.
that, and they no longer have to take their high blood pressure
Wow.
pills. Their doctor test came back great.
Wow.
So not only me, but like the people around me, I can definitely see it
Wow.
influencing and impacting, which is obviously very important.
Right. So we're in the business of healing.
Right.
Okay. This is not just a holiday drink.
And it's not just about you. It's about those around you,
That's
your
so
circle,
true.
your people, your community.
That's so good. I love that.
Yes. Whenever anybody's like, Chris, I'm feeling a little sick, I'm going to come with that shot real quick. Oh, no. We don't have that. We don't have that here.
Love that.
Okay, so we got our 3 oranges cut and
Okay.
then our ginger. I'm gonna let you decide how much ginger we put because typically when I do like my shots, I do like about half of ginger, which is like an inch.
I think that's good. I'm with the half.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't shy away from ginger.
I know. I'm like, I don't know if you want more than that. How you
You know what? I feel like because of the cranberries, I don't want to throw off the taste too much, and then it gets like super sour.
Right.
You know?
Right. So let's start it off. Let's start off with the cranberries.
Okay.
Okay, so probably do about half of this.
Okay.
We're just gonna pop that right there.
And just put it in there? Okay. Oh, so it'll just do it at once.
Yes.
Does it take the, does it like separate the skin, or does it put the skin into? Okay.
So it'll separate. So we have a little, I don't know if the camera can see, but on that side is waste and this side is the juice. So it'll separate it by itself.
Nice. That's good?
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
And then we can throw some apples on top of that. I'll do the ginger with the oranges.
Okay.
Yay.
Yes.
I'm excited.
Me too. I feel like it's going to be so good.
I've never juiced cranberry before, so this is something new.
All the apples or just?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so I kind of came up with a name already for it.
Yay!
So let's see if you agree.
Okay.
So I was thinking I'm Mary.
Oh, I love it. Like, I'm impressed. Y'all will see. Y'all will see. I'm impressed. I'm Mary. Okay, Mary.
Unless you come up with another holiday name.
I like it. I'm Mary. Yeah.
I'm definitely
Merry
happy.
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
I got this damn thing.
I love that you have like the patience for juicing because I bought a juicer.
Didn't last long.
I used it for like a week and a half.
No, it's a lot. I mean, obviously between the cleaning, the cutting, the prepping, I think is the worst part.
Okay.
And then you gotta wait.
I do like your juicer better though because I feel like this is smaller, so better to maintain with the cleaning process rather than like the really large, which is what I got, which I shouldn't have.
It's okay, you learn.
Yeah.
You gotta see what works for you.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get a spoon so we can do a little taste test before we pour it into our kitchen.
So exciting. It looks so good, you guys. It looks so good. Oh, how pretty.
Okay, so let's do a little taste test
how
before we fully pour.
Okay. Thank you.
Go. I'm excited.
Me too. Okay, cheers.
Whoa. That's
nice.
good.
Wait, that's nice.
Taste the ginger.
I do, very slightly.
But mainly orange and like
Mainly
a little
orange.
bit of cranberry, not
Very slight.
overly
Yeah. I like it. It's like an upgraded orange juice. It's like, we don't do basic.
That was good.
We don't do regular.
That was good.
We do updated.
Oh.
We do bougie. We do added.
Right. I'm over here doing the same.
Added properties.
Should we pour it?
Yeah, let's pour it. Okay. Hey.
Hi.
We're excited.
It came out so
good.
yum.
OMG,
yum,
I'm so
yum.
excited.
I'm gonna have a cup.
Yes.
You're gonna have a cup.
Yes. Our gloves off. Period.
Yeah, we don't need more gloves.
Yes.
Yay!
Cheers. So good.
That's
So good. Okay, guys, that was it. This is Vlogmas Day 2. We want to say thank you to Chris for helping us to stay healthy, stay clean, not sick during this holiday season.
None of that.
And tell us where we can shop Impressed.
So you guys can shop Impressed at m/press.com as well as Impress Juices on Instagram.
We love that. Go get you some juice, girl. Or guy.
Oh, everybody.
Go get you some juice. Everybody. Get it for the kids, get it for the dog. You know, just get everybody some juice.
All right.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.